Some food seasoning we use contain salt like monosodium glutamate, which is commonly known as MSG. It is a sodium salt of glutamic acid. This salt is found naturally in some foods like tomatoes and cheese. According to foodsng.com, some food seasonings and condiments like Maggi, Knorr, Ajinomoto, Venda and the rest contain MSG. Is there any health benefit of MSG? Yes, of course. It contains glutamate, which is an excitatory neurotransmitter with several types of receptors found throughout the central nervous system. So glutamate is important for memory, cognition, and mood regulation. The negative effect of too much glutamate in the human brain is that it can cause nerve cells to become overexcited. Overexcitement of nerve cells can lead to brain cell damage and even death. In this case, glutamate is called an excitotoxin. Having known what MSG is all about, let's see what a health expert like Dr. Eric Berge has to say about MSG. But before that, I would like you to know that Dr. Eric Berge specializes in healthy ketosis and intermittent fasting. He is the director of Dr. Berge Nutritionals.
We're going to talk about chronic pain and MSG, monosodium glutamate. Is there a connection? Yes, there is a connection. Now, what is an MSG that's so bad? Well, glutamate is a naturally occurring amino acid in soy sauce, Parmesan cheese, and it's also in our brains as a major neurotransmitter. Now, the problem is it also has another effect of being an excitotoxin, which means it has the potential to damage your nerve cells and cause chronic pain. But not just chronic pain, headaches, migraines, chronic fatigue, sleep issues. And in one study, it was actually quite interesting because the group that removed MSG from their diet and drank more water showed a similar effect to that group that took acetaminophen, which is the painkiller drug. So by staying off MSG and drinking more water, you can create similar effects to taking a painkiller, which is actually interesting. So it just goes to show you the effect of MSG on your nervous system because it actually damages your nerves.
Having heard from a professional in the field, you've seen that MSG is important, but at the same time can be harmful to the brain. Too much of everything is bad. So if we have too much intake of MSG, it can lead to brain damage. According to IndianExpress.com, nutritionists suggest that we keep the intake of MSG to 0.55 gm per day and not to exceed that limit. This is a very small amount such that it can easily be exceeded. MSG is safe but good in moderation.